So this is the panel, and I am on the left. As you can see, at some point in time, there was some sort of water that had dripped because it's discolored. And it starts somewhere over here. Why I think it is, if you follow it all the way through, it's a path. And the path leads to this space here. This space here is attached to that. Notice the rust. There is tape, and this thing here, which is, I imagine, supposed to secure it. I gotta show, where are my fingers? Like right here. It comes back and forth, and so at some point in time, water had dripped and rusted and landed right there. This here is another water flow, and if you follow it that way, you can see that it head to the drain. This is the valve. You can see that it's bouncing because it's floating. It is connected, going up here into there. And what I'm going to try to identify next on the far right of the pan is, do you see the passage of water that at some point flowed? So it seems like we have several points of entry. I'm touching this. This seems sealed. This seems sealed. That seems sealed. I'm going to look to see if there's rust or anything there. Notice this here. I'm not sure how well it's attached, but I don't know shit. And there's also rust from moisture over there, and you can see the different shades. Okay, part 2 in a minute.